before you spend more money on expensive face scrubs that promise smoother skin, clearer pores, and instant glow. Take a moment to reconsider what your skin actually needs. Many commercial products focus heavily on marketing, fragrance, and texture, but overlook the most important part: how skin responds to exfoliation and protection at the same time. The truth is, effective skincare does not always require complicated formulas or high price tags. With just two simple household ingredients, you can create a treatment that helps smooth rough areas, soften dry patches, and improve the appearance of clogged pores in only a few minutes. This method works by supporting the skin rather than aggressively stripping it. Instead of forcing dramatic change, it gently assists the skin's natural renewal process. When used properly and safely, this simple routine can help you achieve noticeable improvement in texture, softness, and overall skin comfort without turning your skincare routine into something expensive or complicated. Why this simple formula works healthy? Skin depends on balance, particularly during exfoliation. When dead cells accumulate on the surface, skin can appear dull, rough, and uneven. Removing these cells is necessary, but doing so with harsh scrubs often leads to microscopic damage, redness, and irritation. Fine particles, however, provide gentle mechanical exfoliation, lifting dead skin without harming surrounding tissue. The second essential element is protection. After exfoliation, the skin's surface is temporarily more vulnerable to moisture loss and environmental stress. Using a protective barrier immediately afterward seals hydration inside the skin, reducing sensitivity and preventing irritation. This combination, exfoliation plus protection, allows the skin to renew itself while remaining stable and comfortable. By simultaneously removing dead cells and shielding the skin, this approach minimizes damage, supports natural recovery, and encourages soft, refined, and healthy-looking skin over time. This balance is what many commercial scrubs overlook, making this simple formula surprisingly effective. How to make it? Preparing this two-ingredient treatment is simple but requires attention to texture. Begin by placing 1 teaspoon of baking soda into a small, clean bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline and slowly mix until a uniform, slightly grainy paste forms. The consistency matters. Too thick and it's hard to spread. Too soft and the particles won't exfoliate effectively. Adjust with small amounts of Vaseline or baking soda until the paste is easy to apply without sliding off or crumbling. Proper texture ensures the fine particles gently lift dead skin while the protective layer seals hydration. Avoid making large batches, as fresh preparation keeps the mixture clean and effective. Once ready, the paste can be used immediately on targeted areas, including blackhead-prone zones, dry lips, or rough skin like elbows and heels. This straightforward preparation combines exfoliation and barrier support in a single, inexpensive mixture. How to apply it? For blackhead-prone areas, start by lightly dampening the skin with warm water to soften surface buildup. Apply a small amount of the paste and massage gently in circular motions for about 1 minute. Avoid pressing hard. Let the fine particles do the work. Removal requires a warm, damp cloth, as Vaseline is water-resistant. For lips, use a tiny amount and massage very gently for about 30 seconds to lift dry flakes, then wipe clean. Rough areas such as elbows, knees, or heels benefit from a thicker application left on for 5 to 10 minutes. This resting time allows the skin to soften and hydrate deeply. Afterward, gently rub or wipe away the mixture. This two-step approach, softening first, then exfoliating, ensures the skin becomes smoother, more flexible, and comfortable without harsh scrubbing. Safety rules. Even gentle treatments must be used responsibly because the skin is a delicate living barrier that depends on balance to stay healthy. Baking soda is naturally alkaline, while the skin's protective surface, often called the acid mantle, is slightly acidic. Frequent use can disturb this balance, weakening the skin's natural defense system and increasing the risk of dryness, sensitivity, or irritation. For that reason, limit this treatment to once or twice per week at most. More frequent use does not improve results, it only increases stress on the skin. Pressure control is equally important. Avoid aggressive scrubbing, especially on the face. Light, slow circular movements are enough to lift dead skin without damaging healthy tissue. Always perform a patch test on a small hidden area and wait at least 24 hours to check for redness, itching, or discomfort. Never apply this mixture to open wounds, inflamed skin, infections, or sunburned areas. If your skin is acne-prone, highly sensitive, or very oily, avoid facial use because occlusive layers can trap impurities and worsen breakouts. Careful, moderate use helps maintain the skin's natural balance while reducing the risk of irritation, long-term sensitivity, or barrier damage. Truly effective skincare is not built on harsh treatments, expensive formulas, or complicated routines. It is built on understanding how the skin naturally renews, protects, and restores itself. When exfoliation is gentle and hydration is preserved, the skin can repair and maintain its strength without unnecessary stress or irritation. Removing dead skin carefully while protecting moisture helps the skin stay comfortable, resilient, and naturally smooth. Over time, consistency and moderation prove far more powerful than aggressive or occasional treatments. Small, regular care habits support long-term skin health, while paying attention to how your skin responds allows you to adjust your routine wisely. This simple two-ingredient method reflects that philosophy: balanced care, minimal ingredients, and thoughtful use. When applied correctly, it can soften rough areas, improve texture, and support healthier feeling skin without complexity or high cost. In the end, skincare is not about quick fixes. It is about patience, balance, and smart habits that work with your skin, not against it. Sometimes the simplest solutions deliver the most reliable results, and achieving smoother, healthier looking skin really can cost just a few cents. And if you found this helpful, take a moment right now. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with someone who loves simple skincare, and drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Your support helps more people learn smarter, safer ways to care for their skin. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.